Hello everybody, countries in the world. Today I'm going to talk about Brazil. Brazil is a country of South America, is the largest country in South America, the fifth in the world and seventh in total population. Its language, coin and climate are Portuguese, Real Brasileiro and tropical. His population is about 217,240,060 inhabitants. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia, with a population 3,050,068 inhabitants. His most important cities of Brazil are Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Salvador Bahia, and among other cities. Brazil has 26 states and the Federal District of Brasilia. Brazil is a very touristic country. Every year, more than 6 million tourists visit tourist places like the Christ Redeemer that is in Rio de Janeiro, in Tijuca Hill, Corcovado Park. From there, the people can see all the city, Rio de Janeiro, and wonderful sunset. This Christ is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And also, there are beautiful beaches like Copacabana, Pan de Azúcar, Fortaleza, Salvador Bahia, and among other beaches. There, thousands of tourists visit them every season and every year. The Carnival of Rio de Janeiro is the biggest event that is celebrated every year. In this great event, there are sensational parade, music, dancers, impressive costumes, parties everywhere. The Samba Parade is the biggest attraction. In this great event, thousands of tourists come to enjoy. Brazil is one of the richest countries of the world in forests, animals, birds, flora, fauna, and fresh water. It's almost the lung of the planet. Brazil has the widest, the most extensive river network in the world, and also is the largest country in Latin America with the world's largest reserve of fresh water and hydropower. This country is also called the cradle of the world soccer because great players were born there and they have made history in their country and in the world soccer. Great players like Pelé, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho. The Brazilian team has won the Soccer World Cup 5 times. Nowadays, new players continue to emerge with a great talent and a good future for the Brazilian team and in the soccer football. Thank you so much. God bless you.